Hello, this is Telegram Reviews here, and welcome back to another read through on the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Urban Legends issue 4. So now, last one, the Turtles escape from their new old lair by the Dragon Lord. Splinter is now being drugged and is in hallucination, and Donatello, well, he might not be around for much longer, one might say, but who knows? I've still got his bones and shell. So let's get into today's one. Let's go! Face facts, Leo. Donatello's dead. Yeah, the savages have already picked his bones clean. But I was here an hour ago, and he was alive. I mean, yeah, his shell was crushed and he was paralyzed from the neck down. But at least he was alive. And now, wait a minute. His skeleton has 5 fingers and 5 toes. You're right, Sherlock. These are human bones, and this creep was over 6 feet tall. So who is this? And there were metal fragments enabled in the bones. This must have been the cyborgs Johnny was fighting. But what's he doing in Johnny's shell? More importantly, what is Don doing out of his shell? He couldn't just get up and walk out of it. It's part of his backbone and spinal column. And on his history, if he's not cooking in a bowl of roadkill stew, he's headed for a lab table in Hangar 13. And when this is over, we'll be back to find the rest of him. In the meantime, we're going after those responsible for this crime, namely the Dragon Lord and that ninja bitch Pumiko. They shot Donnie, kidnapped him, and jumped him out of the helicopter. They're gonna pay. I swear it. Me too, and me. Let's go. I still can't believe that you and Donatello built this aircraft, Raph. We didn't. Zog the Triceratops started it. Don modified it, and I finished it. I only boosted the parts for Donnie. Great. And how did you locate the Dragon Lord's hideout? And give a connection Commando Dragon Lord. I checked the computer, and Commando Inc. Owns a lot of the land here in upstate New York. Ras pals in the Hook Clan confirmed that a ninja babe named Miko works for an outfit they done business with called the Kimono Industries. And where's that? And wait, and you get a load of this joint? Listen, pull over and we'll plan our strategy for an attack later tonight. Tonight? And what's wrong with dive bombing those suckers right now? And they won't know what hit them. Are you a ninja or Johnny Wayne? Splinter is in there somewhere. Yeah, and it's up to us to rescue him. Are you Chicken Leo? Shut up. And we're not attacking anybody until we bury Donatello. Pull over. Okay, but what about Splinter? If he's lasted this long, another few hours won't kill him. I have no quarrel with you, Mako. Leave now. Freedom is yours. Too bad, rat. They've been starving me for days. I'm going to eat and run. Say your prayers, Fuzzy, because I've always said grace. I cannot allow you to harm either Warlord, Commando, or myself, much less eat us. Ha ha ha. And how do you plan to stop me? Like this? A kung fu rat? Whoosh! My nose! You broke it, you little rat bastard! A trick I learned from watching Jacko's constantly. He said a shark's snout is most sensitive. And I'll kill you for that. I think not. And now I believe that the cavalry has arrived. What? The lizards? Big lizards? Surrounding me? They're attacking me from all directions. Come and get me, you walking suitcase. I'll make a cowboy boots out of you. Each of you. And do you control your pets with telepathy? not pets. I told you, they are, and I are brothers. I do not control them. I ask. They fight for me willingly, as I must now aid them. Yes, Miko. Yes, Miko is destroying them. The Sharkman must die. I was a mistake too. Pain. Terrible pain. No, not of all times. Dragon Lord, you okay? My potential spirit is disease. It betrays me again. I know I've eaten one-eyed lizard before. Tastes kind of like chicken. But then again, everything tastes like chicken to me. Ha 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 ha. Splinter, flee why you can. Quickly, my bodyguards, they're gonna win. I will not leave you. I can protect you myself. And those gonna protect you, and he's gonna protect you. Ow, 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 ow. My poor bastard nose! And what's wrong with Charlie Chan? He has having concussion. I do not know. He ain't sick. He's transformed into one of those lizards. And that would happen in my stomach if I eaten him. Talk about a belly buster. I'm gonna barf. This is a freaky city, rat. I'm out of here. You coming or what? No, Commander. Treat me as I guess. I will see to this well-being and satisfy my own curiosity. Warlord Commander, can you understand me? No, he cannot. In this condition, he is a little more than a mindless beast. Ah, your bodyguards have finally arrived, my friend. This butchery isn't a handwork, old rat. You three track down the Sharkman. He can't have gotten very far. But quickly. You three track down the Sharkman. He can't gone very far. The Dragon Lord should recover quickly now. Does this translation occur often? No more questions, old one. And now that you know the truth about Lord Commando's affliction, you must die. Goodbye, Donnie. We're gonna miss you, brother. Amen. It's getting late. Let's go kick some butt. Yeah, time for revenge. Crunch. You coming, Mikey? Wait a minute there. Thunder lies the castle of our enemy. Prepare for the assault on the castle commando. What the? Mice? Hundreds of mice! Hold on, shorty. Now why would mice stample, rumble? Going way through it! A land shark going through! Very smart mice. What the? Yikes! This is Godzilla family. The giant motorized lizards, also known as commando dragons. But they're not interested in us. And they only have eyes for that shark guy. Maybe this is my lucky day after all. The keys are in the heap. Hey, aircraft! No hitchhikers. You mute. These things don't give up. They're still going after him. And they must have a real urge for seafood. So long, suckers! Very interesting. We can safely assume that they're in the right place. So what? There goes our getaway car. Not necessary. What's that? Yow! A remote control. It's got range of half a mile. That Johnny was a genius. Choke. And now he's dead. Hurry up. And lock the car. I need to hurt someone. Speaking of Donatello, and there's that noise again. Is somebody there? Hello? I wish I could move. I can't see anything but by a street lamp. Somebody's there. But who? Mutant target still alive. Target. Termination is imminent. Gross. It's a cyborg that fell out of the cocktail with me. Pain. So much pain, tearing me apart. It's killing me. I'm blacking out again. I'm alive? And was that a dream? No, I remember it really happened. I'm moving. The cyborg must be taking me somewhere. I'm still, and I still can't move. But it looks like we're going through a cornfield. Silence. Sensor that indicate multiple carbon-based life forms ahead. Switching to infer subject has been located. 5 deceased. 1 living subject is devolting the discreet. Trump, 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 trump. Run for your life, buddy. Silent mutant. And who the... What are you looking for? And looking at Butthead. In fact, what are you? Subject is dangerous. Locking target. Fire. The cyborg's blasted that poor guy. Move now. But that gun is attached to my arm. I'm the cyborg. But how? How? Wow. That was really good. So Donatello is now a cyborg and tells us he was dead. Dragon Lord is now a lizard as well. That was... And Thor's gonna start a war. God, I love this comic so much. It's gonna be one of the best Cell comics other than W and Mirage ones. Wow. Wow. What's gonna happen next is a better question. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. If that's one, please share, like, subscribe, and all that stuff. Goodbye, yo. Bye.